Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task for Instagram users, copying your highlight link on a PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even more straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see your highlights just below your bio. These highlights are those curated stories that you want to keep visible for your followers. Find the specific highlight from which you want to copy the link. Once you've located the highlight, click on it to open it up. This will take you to a dedicated page for that highlight, showcasing all the stories included in it. Next, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see the URL for this highlight. To copy this link, simply select the entire URL in the address bar, right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, choose Copy. This action will save the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing. Now that you have successfully copied your highlight link, you can paste it anywhere you like, whether it's in a message, an email, or on another social media platform. Just right-click where you want to paste it and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. And there you have it. You've just learned how to copy your Instagram highlight link on a PC with ease. This new update makes sharing your favorite moments even more accessible for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively.